Hop on with us. We're building these cute puppies a house. The famous Cambodian artist is helping these puppies. He uses bamboo sticks to build the base. He creates these amazing shelters using natural resources only. Step by step, and you will see how talented he is. Having a creative mind while building these shelters is very important. He is very precise. The talented craftsman is attaching the bamboo sticks to each other. So far, it looks big, and we can't wait to see what figure he's building. His ideas are really innovative. We are all impressed by his talented skills. Now he's using mud to form the shape. The shelter is starting to look like a giant bird, but let's see what he has in mind. Now he's focusing to design the face. Adding grass to the surface for puppies to play and run. And their house is finished. Watch how adorable they are. Puppies are exploring their house in every corner. This little one has sure found his hiding spot. His work is really amazing, and puppies seem to like it. It's time to feed these little ones. Thanks to our favorite craftsman, their new house looks incredible, and no more sleepy nights outside.